don't have the power, but we never say never. Sitting in a sandpit, life is a short trip. The music's for the sad man.
Hi you all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Anora here, and I am back with another video, guys. On today's video, it's all about this week. So, who are interested in seeing how about this week, just keep watching. So guys, during the week the items you'll be needing is a thread. I got this thread, and I got some needles here. I got these round needles, and I got the straight needles. It all depends on which one suits you best. So guys, for the closure I will be using, this is the closure I'll be using. This little piece of closure I'll be using, I cut this closure from the last week that I showed you how I cut my lace closure week. This is what I'll be using in doing this week. So for the week I had got 3 bundles of frizz hair. I just washed the hair. So I got this cap to put on my mannequin while I sew, and I got these clippers here to help me secure the hair while I do the sewing, and I have these pins here to help me secure my cap on my mannequin. So guys, without further ado, let's get into the video. And please, if you have not subscribed on my channel, please do subscribe on my channel so you don't miss any of my video. Thank you guys so much. You guys have made me reach 1K so very much that you guys have made me reach here. So let's get into our video. We're starting with your wig. You have to place your cap, and now you go in with your pins. So guys, this is what I just said. Let me try it out to see how it works. I've never done this before, so this is my first try of doing a wig cap with just a little pattern like this from there. So let's go in with the sewing. So guys, you just sew it round. So when you go in with the sewing, you have to take the thread across the needle, like to really secure it down. So that's what you have to be doing. When you sew it, you take your thread, you scoop it round the needle, and you pull it off. So you just do the same method round the closure, even though it's not a full closure, but it's the same as a closure. So we're gonna find out how it turns out. So you just continue doing the same thing, the same method. Just continue going round. When you get at the extreme edge, you go from the bottom. And always make sure you secured your sew. And when you're done with that, you cut your needle and you go and cut. So this is how it's looking like. This is how the sew it's looking like. So we just continue now with our bundles. So guys, now we are going in with our bundles. So starting with our bundles, we have to start from the line, from the closure, from where we sew the closure, at least two lines before we go from the behind. Okay, why we are doing this? Because we want the part of the closure to be a little bit wider. You know, it's too thin, so I want it to be a little bit wider before I go from the behind part. So now you go in with your sewing. Always make sure you go from the bottom and you bring it up. Why you're doing that? Because you don't want the knot of the thread. Where you knot the thread, you don't want it to show up. And always make sure you secured your sewing. Continue with our sewing. So when I get at the extreme edge, I cut the hair. Cured. Just go in and secure it, and I continue with my sewing. With the sewing, I'm going in right from the top of my closure. I'm doing right here. I'm going from it, and always make sure you secure it. you get at this extreme edge, you just, when you flip the hair over, you just secure the hair, you know, you just secure the hair about 4 to 5 times, even 6 times if you find it necessary. So you just secure the hair and you continue with your sewing. To help you sew faster, you just use a bobby pin and you secure the hair. You just secure the hair and you're just going in now with your sewing. It's much easier this way. So far I'm seeing the week it's gonna be fire, so give the video a thumbs up. So if you're new, you hit the subscribe button, and please do not tell me you subscribe, tell me you love my channel or you added my channel, so I will get back immediately. So that is the name you should be using now. Please don't tell me you sub on my channel. No. So when you secure it like this, it's much easy and fun to sew, you know. So guys, this is how far the one bundle has gone. So now I'm getting into the second bundle. So this is the hair. Let's continue with the sewing.
Just continue with sewing. And we're doing the sewing now. We still have this part still, we still have much of the back part left, so we're just gonna end from the, we're just gonna end here and flip the hair over. So before you flip your hair over you make sure you attach the hair. You make sure you attach the hair from the last sew. So whenever you want to flip off your hair, you're doing a wig. Whenever you want to flip off your hair, you make sure you attach the hair with the last sew, with the previous sew, like attach it with this, and you flip it over. When you attach it with it, then you flip it over, so you won't have that big bulk, that big note on the hair. So you see it. Continue now with your sewing.
So when you get to the extreme end, you just flip the hair over. I got the last bundle left. So guys, this is our hair. So far so good, everything is moving well. As you all can see, the hair is going quite well. So just keep watching while we get to the end of the sewing, so you guys will see how the hair turned out, guys. But for now, I'm seeing the hair, like the hair, it's so gorgeous. Just so guys, you just flip the hair and you continue with you. So we are almost at the end of this tutorial, so just be patient. I tried my best not to take so much of your time. So there is no gap in between the sewing. There's no gap. You can't see any gap in between the sewing. As you can see, there is nothing like any gap. So I just put all together because the closure is really tiny, so you want the hair to be a little bit full from the top, so that's what I did. This kind of video, I know this video is helpful to some of the girls out there like me who don't have that much money to always buy closure. You can buy a wig cap and you cut a little part from your ear, from the both ear, and you keep the leftover closure and you use it to create your wig cap. So that is what I did. So that is just what I did. So that's just it, guys. You guys, we all need to be creative. Don't cut it and throw it. You can cut it and use it for something else. So that is what I did. I cut it and I'm using now for this week. As you all can see, I'm using it now for this week. Let's just keep watching, and please hit the subscribe button, give a thumbs up, comment on the video down below on what you think about the video, and please share the video to your loved ones, your friends, your family, your cousin, your nieces, and anybody that you think the video can be helpful to. Just share the video, share it around. I want people to know they can save money. We don't just need to keep buying closures like that. I don't say we should. We can buy when it comes to some kind of hair though. Like this hair though, this hair, I think this closure is perfect for this hair because I just need a middle padding. I don't need any baby hair laid anyway, so that is why I go in with this. Okay, so we still do need to buy closure. we really do need to buy closure to make our baby hair lay well. Always stay hydrated, guys. Water is so important for the health, so always make sure you drink a large quantity of water every day. So guys, we're almost at the end of the hair, so you all can see.
So we just continue our sewing to fill this space. When you fill the space and that fill the space and you're done with the sewing of the hair. So you just take it round, you just take it across the side, flip it over, just continue flipping it over until you get to the end.
So guys, I'm now at the last part of the video. I just want to close this middle part so you all can see. So now I'm just here. It's left this part. So how to close it? You just grab all the together. The ending where you have the closure and where you have the sew and the sew you're about to put in. You put the three together. So guys, when I'm done with all that, I'll just go in now and cut this hair. You know, this hair, it's lace hair and this it's frizz hair, so I'll just go in now and cut the hair section. I'll just cut it first from here. If there's anything to cut, I will continue cutting. When I cut, I'll just go in now and remove the mannequin. So when I remove the mannequin, what I'll be doing now, it's going in to cut the cap.
And I go in now with the other side hidden. And then you have to be careful so you don't want to cut where you sewed. So
for now, this is the line we're going in with. So just go in now and put it back on the mannequin. So guys, this is the final look of the hair. So guys, if you want to see how I styled the hair, just leave a comment down below. And guys, see how the hair turned out. I mean, the hair is so perfect and nice, so gorgeous. So please give a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you've not done so, comment on what you think about the video, and until then, bye.